Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to restore your PIN code in case you forgot it. In order to restore your PIN code, you have to select I forgot my PIN button below the PIN field, and if you don't see it, try making a couple of attempts of entering the PIN number, and if those attempts are incorrect, it will eventually appear right here. Click on it and then click on it once again. And now, if you have a local account set up on your PC, then you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself in order to restore your PIN code. And if you don't remember the answers to the security questions, then the only way to regain access to your Windows account will be by performing a factory reset and reinstalling Windows from USB. And in case you need some help with that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to reinstall Windows from USB on this PC. Now, if you have a Microsoft account, however, you have to receive a code on your Microsoft account email, and then enter this code in the following field. So click send code and then enter the code right here. Give me a moment. And once you enter the code provided in your email, press sign in, then press continue. And after that, set up a new PIN code for your account, enter it into the first field and confirm it in the second one. Click OK. And once you do that, you'll instantly regain access to your Windows account. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.